Welcome back to Modern Online Computer Training. We are still in our module 2 operating system basics, and this is Erasmus Johnson still with you. We are still learning to navigate the operating system interface and performing basic tasks. In the previous videos we discussed about understanding the desktop. We are done with this one, and where we discussed about icons, shortcuts and wallpaper. We also done with using the keyboard and mouse, the ergonomics of using the keyboard and mouse, the clicks, right click, drag and drop, and then also typing and special keys. Now this is very interesting. This is Windows and applications. When you hear about Windows, when you hear about applications, what comes into your mind? Don't go away, let's move. Okay. Understanding Windows, modern world Windows and applications. What is a window? Let's begin with a window. A window is a rectangular area on your screen that displays an application. Think of it as your workspace for a specific task. Let's click on different parts of the diagram below to learn about each component. What you're seeing on my screen right now is also called a window. Let's see. For example, if there is a document word processor, that is called the title bar. This is the title bar where you find the close, minimize and maximize buttons. So it's all usually located at the top. The title bar displays the application and document name. You can also click and drag it to move the window around your screen. You can click and drag to move the window around your screen. Remember, click and drag. If you have not watched our previous video, go out there and watch our previous video to understand about the click, drag, drop, all those terms. Our next one will be the content area. This is the main workspace of the window, where you interact with the application content, whether it's typing text, editing an image, or viewing a web page like this one which we are viewing. So this one up here will be our title bar. This is our title bar where the mouse is right now, and then this other area is called the work area. The whole of this is the work area. Now this is our window which is open right now. Let's see what application. An application or an app, usually known as an app. Think about it like your phone. Your phone has apps. Those apps, what you see is called the icons on your phone in the computer way. So the application is the same as here in the computer. It's a software program designed to help you perform a specific task. Below are common categories of applications you might use in your everyday life. For productivity, tools for creating documents, analyzing data and making presentations. Examples, we have Word. If you need to create any document, you use Word. You can use Excel for tables, and you can use PowerPoint for presentations. And then we have web browsers. Web browsers like this one which I'm using right now. These are your gateway to the internet. Use it for visiting websites and web apps. Example, we have Chrome, Firefox and Safari. Like I said, look at it like your phone. Your phone, you have a Google Chrome, that will be your web browser. You have Firefox to be your web browser. You have Opera Mini and so many more. Also, we have some applications for graphics and design. Software for creating and editing images, illustrations and layouts. For example, the Photoshop, GIMP, Canva and many more. For communication also, there are some apps for communication, applications for communication, for messaging, video calls, and collaborating with others. For example, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Discord. Now you can put WhatsApp on your computer, you can put Botim on your computer, and so many other apps. And then we have also media players. Of course, these are used for playing audio files like music and podcasts, or video files like movies. For example, the common one used is the VLC, Spotify, Apple Music. Those are applications for media known as media players. We also have games and entertainment. You can also install games on your computer. This is this kind of software designed for leisure and entertainment, from simple puzzles to complex worlds. They vary widely. So if you have any app, any application, any gaming application on your computer, you can mention it. Okay, how they work together. Now we are going to see how Windows and applications have worked together. Windows and applications have a symbiotic relationship. The application is the engine that does the work, and the window is the dashboard. You use it to control it. For example, here I'm opening a window. This window is opened in application known as a browser. So this one is just for playing around, and then the application is the real core, is the one which does the real work. So this what is open is called a window. Look at it like a window of a house. Yeah, I think it makes sense if you look at it like a window of a house. That is a window, and then the house becoming the application. Yep. So if you want to see into the house, you can peep into the window. It makes sense now. There is a house, which is the application, and then we have a window of a house. So if you want to see into the house, you can peep into the window, and then you can see what is inside the house. That is, I don't know if this example makes sense, but that is the simple example I would give. Let's see the interaction flow. You are the user. You launch the application. Then the application starts. Then the window, it creates a window. And then interaction, you work in the window. Whatever you do it from the window. Actually, the good example I was giving is like the window. The window gives you access to like the window is like the interface that comes when you open an application. Okay, let's see the key takeaways. Don't go away. Here are some takeaways for you. Interface application use Windows to show you their interface and content. Apps use Windows to show you their interface and content. And then interaction, you use the mouse and the keyboard to interact with the application inside its window. And then organization, a single application can open many windows, e.g., multiple documents, helping you organize your work. Hope you had a clear understanding about the difference between Windows and applications and how they work together. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any more explanation about Windows and applications, don't forget to put your comment in the comment section, and please share so that this knowledge can reach to other people. And if you have not yet subscribed yet, remember to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any other videos coming up. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye.